Hi again. So,
We're still at the food court.
we're not foodless.
Yes, we are, actually. We don't have food anymore. Food, no.
Now they're gone. Yeah. Don't eat my shit.
Don't eat Gerald's shit.
Because I myself is a shit.
Am a shit.
Yeah.
I myself am a shit. No, that's wrong.
So I'm I a shit.
Is Gerald a shit? Yes or no?
Thank you. The answer no.
The answer yes.
The answer no.
No, you're a shit.
I'm not a shit.
You are a shit.
But I'm your favorite shit.
Sure you are. When did I say that? You are my favorite shit.
I'm gonna tell you something. Kunyari mo sinasabi ako sa'yo. Ha? Kunyari. Yay!
What was that?
Secret.
You know that this
You'll
is my
never
cell
know.
phone and I can just listen to it.
You'll never know.
I will know. Hi, Method. Hi, Bea. Hi, person. That's Gerald. Ivan. Party time.
Hi, I'm Sunny Monroe.
No, you're not. You're not Sunny Monroe.
I'm Sunny Monroe and I rock.
No, you don't.
I'm Sunny Monroe.
Jen.
I'm Sunny Monroe. Zero and Gerald Show.
Gerald. Zerpero. Zerpero. That's www.youtube.com/user/Zerpero.
That's how you know. Where are you?
This is Ivan. Never mind. That's not Ivan. Ivan has a corn first because he is a girl.
Back what she said. Don't let me do this.
Do you want to do it? Then don't do it, right?
Do you want me to be a girl?
No.
Hey!
Okay, sabi ni Ben. Okay.
Ay.
Kaya nga sabi si Bea, nakakagawa niya si
Bea, ikaw ako parehas kayo ni Ben.
Okay.
Okay. Alam ko.
Okay.
R.
Hi.
S.
Kiss.
Zagrim. Z is for 0. A is for N. G is for Green Monster. And R is for Robert.
Zagrim.
D is for Demi. And E is for everybody.
You basically just said Zag.
I said Zagde. Zagde.
Zagde. Zagerde.
But Zagrim means E-E-M-I, Demi. Zag is my nickname. R is for
It's not.
Robert.
4 minutes. It's an improvement.
Stop